It is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here. This is a really good question. From where you got this question?
Miscellaneous.
Miscellaneous exercise. A really good question. Okay, and I appreciate you have referred the miscellaneous exercise and other exercises also. Okay, a die is loaded in such a way that the probability of the face with j number of dots, turning up is proportional to j for j is equals to 1 to 6 full stop. What is the probability that in one roll of the die that an odd number of dots will turn up? Okay, I will explain you this question now. See, there is one die. So instead of having the 1 2 3 4 5 6 numbers on that die, we have the dots. Okay, 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dots, 6 dots, and so on. So only, of course, 6 dots. A die means it will have only 6 dots. So they have mentioned that there will be that the probability of the face with j dots. Okay, so j का definition दिया है 1 to 6. So j is equals to 1 means 1 dot. There are 2 dots, 3 dot, 4 dot, 5 dot, and 6 dots. Okay, so this is a cube. But the probability is what? So probability of getting 1 dot is how much? It is in proportion to 1. See here, in proportion to j बोला है. So j की वैल्यू कितनी है? 1 to 6. So proportion to 1 means what? Some proportionality constant into 1. Probability of getting 2 number, or this probability of getting 2 dots is what? It is in proportion to 2. So it is 2k. Can I write like this? So probability of getting 3 dots, it is in the proportion to j. So what is the value of j here? It is 3. So it becomes 3k now. So probability of getting 4 dots, it is how much? What should be the value?
4k.
It should be 4k. See here, यहाँ पे जो दिया है ना, it should be in the proportion to the j. So whatever the j value you take, उसका proportion में उसकी probability रहने वाली. So this is 1k, 2k, 3k. These are the probabilities they have given. Okay, so similarly, what about 5k? 5 probability is 5k, and probability of 6 dots is how much? 6k. So these are the probabilities. Now what will be the value of k? How you will find out the value of k now? I don't know the proportionality constant k. Okay, so if I add all these numbers, if I add p of 1 or p of 2 or p of 3 or p of 4, p of 5 or p of 6, what is the probability equals to? If I add all these numbers, what should be the equal to? What is the total probability of any event?
1.
It is 1. So can I say the p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3 plus p of 4 plus p of 5 plus p of 6? See what it means. Either you are getting 1 dot or 2 dot or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. अरे भाई रोल करोगे तो इनमें से कोई भी एक आपको मिलने ही वाला है ना. Is it okay? So that's why its a probability is what? 1. So it is known as a total probability. So let's substitute the values. So it is 1k plus 2k plus 3k plus 4k plus 5k plus 6k, it is equals to 1. So let's solve for the k. So how much is the addition here? So 6 into 7, so it will be equals to 21. So 21k, it is equals to 1, implies k is equals to 1 by 21. Now k is equals to 1 by 21, we get the proportionality constant. Now see what probability they have asked. What is the probability that in one roll of die that an odd number of dots will turn up? Now what are the favorable options? Odd number of dots you want. So I may want 1 dot, or I'll want 3 dots, or I want 5 dots. So probability of 1, 3 or 5. So 1 means what? It's a 1k. 3 means it's a 3k, and 5 means what? It's a 5k. And the portion, that is value of k they have given. So it is nothing but 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, so it is 9k, which is nothing but 9 into k value is 1 by 21, which becomes 3 by 7. So this is what my answer is for the question. Is this okay, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, really very very nice question. You will definitely see ऐसा होता है miscellaneous अपने पास सब रेफरेंस मटेरियल, लेकिन हम लोग क्या है, हम लोग येड़े हैं, हम लोग वो पाथ फाइंडर विद्या भारती के पीछे भागते हैं। नहीं भाई, सब स्टेट बोर्ड बुक एनसीईआरटी बुक्स में दिए हैं, ऑल आर गुड क्वेश्चंस। Okay, let's see the next one now. This question we have already this kind of question we have already seen. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, it is again a nice question. An urn contains 5 red balls and 2 green balls. A ball is drawn. A ball is drawn. Full stop. If it's green, a red ball is added to an urn, and if it's red, a green ball is added to the urn. The original ball is not returned to the urn. Then a second ball is drawn. What is the probability the second ball is red? Very nice question. देखो यहाँ पे अपने पास एक बॉक्स है. In this box we have 5 red balls and 2 green balls. We have 5 red balls and 2 green balls. What this statement is saying is, in the first instance you are taking one ball. Okay, you are taking one ball. So abhi suppose you have taken the red ball, then you have to add the green ball to this box. And if you take a green ball out of this box, you have to add one red ball in this case. Are you getting the question?
Yes.
Very good. अभी देखो, now see here, we will see ये experiment होने के बाद after adding this, what you want, see the first ball which you have drawn, you are not replacing to the urn, means it is not getting returned in the urn. So second ball you want to have the red color ball. So after having this type of experiment you want to have the red color ball. देखो अभी हम लोग कैसा करेंगे. I will say that okay, इतना ज़रूरत नहीं है केस 1 केस 2 करने की, but we will consider. First ball is the red ball we will consider. First red ball we are drawing. So what is the probability of getting red ball here? From this container, tell me what is the probability of getting red ball?
5 by 7.
5 by 7.
It will be 5 by 7. So if you take the red ball from this container, okay, now that red ball you are not replacing again, but when you take red ball you are adding which ball? Green ball you are adding. Now after having the green ball here, what is the total number of balls in the container now?
8. No, 7 only.
It will
Because
remain
one
same,
we remove.
क्योंकि एक R चला गया and एक G आ गया अंदर, so the total number of balls will remain same. So यहाँ पे still we have 7 balls. Is this okay? Now the next time which ball you want to have? Next time you want to have the probability that I want to have the red ball. Now tell me how many red balls are here now?
4.
4 red balls. Excellent. So 4 red balls are here out of 7. So that's it. This is what my probability for the first red ball when you draw the first red ball. So case number 2 will be what? Suppose the first ball you have drawn is a green ball. So what is the probability of green ball? Okay.
2 by 7.
So it will be 2 by 7. Excellent. So once you take the green ball out, you have to add the red ball. So red ball add किया आपने यहाँ पे. Now second ball red ball होने की probability कितना है? How many red
1
balls
by
we
7.
have here now?
1 by 7.
अरे
6 by
6 by 7 no. 1 by 7 कैसा है? तुम्हें एक red ball add करता है. So total red ball हो गया अपने पास 6. So total 6 options out of 7. So this is what the probability for the next red ball. समझ लगा रे?
yes sir.
Yes वरती.
तर फर्स्ट रेडचं सांगा ना एकदा.
सेकंड ग्रीनचं कळालं का? पहिल्या ग्रीनचं हे चालू आहे, तर आता सध्या
Yes,
ह्याच्यावरती
sir.
लक्षात ठेवा, पुन्हा इकडे नका जाऊ. हे समजलं? सेकंड फर्स्ट
Yes,
ग्रीन
sir.
समजलं का? Yes, first green is okay.
येस सर.
Okay. Now see, the first red is what I am saying is, suppose you have drawn the first red ball. Okay, चलो first. Suppose we have drawn the first red ball. Suppose you have drawn the first red ball. What is the probability of drawing the red ball? What is the probability of drawing the red ball?
5 by
5 by
7.
7. So they have given that if you are taking the red ball, you have to add green ball. Okay, so you have to add green ball. Now next time, what is the probability of taking red ball now? Because see, why we are focusing on the red ball, because उन्होंने पूछा है I have to find out the red ball, the second ball should be the red ball, इसकी probability चाहिए. So second ball red होने की probability क्या है? So you have taken one red out, so remaining are 4 now out of 7. So 4 by 7 is what the probability for the second red ball. Have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
So what you will do with these two? What do we do with these two?
Addition.
I will add this because these are the cases. So I may pick the red ball first or this green ball first. It doesn't. It is not decided. So definitely we have to add this. 5 20 divided by 49 plus 12 by 49. ये हो गया मेरा 32 by 49. Really very good question. Is this okay? So totally concept based question. Even if you read the solution given in the your Pathfinder or कुछ भी रहने दो, until unless you have the concept, you will not understand this. So please focus on the concepts. From the first day, I am discussing these things. Okay, Aditya, very good, and I hope there is no other doubts from the miscellaneous question. Yes.
सर एक थर्ड वन सेंड केलता तुम्हाला तो एक घ्या ना सर मिसलेनियस मधलं
काय क्वेश्चन आहे?
सेंड केलंय सर तुम्हाला
नाव काय तुमचं?
आदित्यच आहे सर.
आदित्य सर. कुठला थर्ड वन आहे रे बाळा? कधी सेंड केलास तू? कधी सेंड केला रे? ओके, थर्ड वन 10 cards number from 1 to 10 वाला का? Placed in a box mixed up thoroughly and then one card is drawn randomly if it is known that the number on the drawn card is more than 3.
सेकंड वाला सर्कल केला.
Okay, circle केला. There are yeah, it is also good question. Yeah, we will take that. Yeah, हा वाला ना?
हो सर.
See here. So there are 6 positive and 8 negative numbers. 4 numbers are chosen at random. 4 numbers are chosen at random without replacement. Okay, and multiplied. Okay, find the probability that the product is a positive number. So in a box, suppose in a box we have 6 positive numbers and 8 negative numbers we have. Now I want to have the probability of the product should be positive. So now you are taking the 4 numbers out of this. How many total we have numbers? 14 numbers
14.
we have. So out of 14 you have to take any 4 numbers. So what is the sample space? Out of 14 you want to select any 4. So this will be 14C4 is what my sample space is. Is my sample spaces. Now see here, to have the multiplication positive, suppose you have some plus and minus. To have the multiplication to be positive, both the numbers should be positive or both the numbers should be negative. Are you getting the point?
Yes sir.
If it is the case, then only I say that my product or my multiplication is positive. Now find out of these how many such a numbers we can do, how many such a pairs we can form. So you want 2 positive numbers. So how many positive numbers you have? 6 positive numbers I have. Out of 2 I want. So this can be done in 6C2 ways. Or plus I want 2 negative numbers. So there are total 8 negative numbers. So out of 8 I want 2. That can be done in 8C2 ways. Is this okay?
Yes sir.
एक मिनट आपको कितने नंबर चाहिए? 4 नंबर चाहिए ना. So out of instead of 2 we can take 4 numbers here. Instead of 2 you can take 4 numbers. See, you take 4 numbers, the product will be what? It is positive only. If you take the 4 negative numbers, इसका product भी आपको positive मिलने वाला. Is this okay?
Yes.
But in this 4, even if any one is negative, my answer will be what? Negative.
Negative.
यहाँ पे और एक केस आएगा बॉस, देखो यहाँ पे I can get plus plus and minus minus. This combination will also give me the negative number, positive number. Are you getting this? इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉजिटिव हो गया, इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉजिटिव हो गया, पॉजिटिव इंटू पॉजिटिव इज पॉजिटिव ओनली. इज दिस ओके?
Yes, sir.
सो ये 6c4 हो गया, ये भी 6c4 हो गया. और हाउ यू विल ड्रॉ दिस, हाउ यू विल टेक दिस?
14
14
C4.
C4.
Ha. No, I want exactly two positive numbers.
6C2 into 8C2.
Yeah, excellent. 6c2 into 8c2. This becomes my next third option. So this plus this will give you the answer, divided by this will give you the probability. Are you getting the point, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, excellent, good question again. So I request everyone, please solve the miscellaneous exercises. अभी देखो अभी कैसा हो रहा है. Now I will tell you. From today onwards, definitely we'll be solving we'll starting the next topic. Now it is up to you that you have solved the permutation, combination, probability. How many questions you have solved, I really don't know. If you are solving, if you are in parallel to me, in parallel to the class, that is appreciable. अब नहीं तो कैसा होता है, अभी सर मैं परम्यूटेशन करूँ या प्रोबेबिलिटी करूँ या अभी आप जो बाइनोमियल सिखा रहे हो वो करूँ. सो दैट्स वाई आई टोल्ड यू फ्रॉम द डे वन यू हैव टू बी वेरी सिंसियर. ठीक है, let it be. If you have not solved those first two topics, what I will suggest you that आपका अगर 2 घंटे का टारगेट है दिन का मैथ्स पढ़ने के लिए, 2 घंटा टारगेट है, तो जस्ट गिव यू 1 hour for those two topics and 1 hour completely 1 hour for this today's class. So whatever I cover in the today's class, in the next new chapter, you invest your 1 hour in this. Means more than 50% you have to invest in the current ongoing topics. जो भी आपका पिछला जो पढ़ाई है, जो मागे राहिला है, त्या उन चीज़ों पे आपको कम टाइम देना है. बट यू हैव टू फिनिश दैट. रात में जागरण करो, सुबह जल्दी उठो, दोपहर में मत सो. ओके, जो करना है करो, लेकिन आपको पिछले 2 टॉपिक्स कवर करने हैं. एटलीस्ट यार, एटलीस्ट आप एक्सरसाइजेस तो सॉल्व करो. एटलीस्ट एक्सरसाइजेस मिसलेनियस एंड एक्सरसाइजेस सॉल्व करो, सफिशिएंट है. that will improve, that will boost your क्या बोलते, confidence. That will boost your confidence. Again I am telling you, quantity not important. How many questions you have solved is not important. What type of questions you have solved is important. Okay, that's it. So we will conclude the probability. So if still you have, if suppose more than 50% students have doubts, then definitely we will have some of more doubt sessions on the PNC and the probability, but definitely not urgent में कुछ नहीं है. Maybe after a week we can think of that. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So please take time and cover those 2 topics if you have not covered. Okay, so the next topic which we are starting from the today is very basic, very simple, free marks topic, which is the binomial distribution topic. Okay, so let me have black screen for you. Okay, don't worry, while sharing this PDF copy I will take care that you will see all the written notes here. Okay.